Imagine you are driving along and your engine suddenly dies without warning, and no matter how much you crank it, the car simply refuses to fire back up. If your scanner shows a P0215 code, your vehicle's safety system has likely triggered the engine shutoff solenoid. This is a critical component, most commonly found in diesel-powered trucks like the Dodge Ram or GMC Sierra, and its job is to act as an emergency kill switch for the fuel supply. The powertrain control module monitors everything from oil pressure to engine temperature, and it even listens to tilt sensors to see if the vehicle has rolled over or been in a major collision. If it detects a dangerous situation, it sends a voltage signal to a relay that activates the solenoid, physically blocking the fuel from reaching the engine and diverting it back to the tank through a low-pressure return line. When this code is stored, it means the computer sees a voltage level in that circuit that does not make sense, which often results in a total no-start condition. You might not see any symptoms at all until the moment the car refuses to start, but you might also see other codes for low oil pressure or high engine temperature accompanying it. The most likely cause is a defective shutoff solenoid or a faulty relay, but it could also be a bad oil pressure sending unit tricking the computer into thinking the engine is about to seize. To diagnose this, you should first check if you have any other major engine codes and clear those out first. Use a digital volt ohmmeter to check the resistance of the solenoid. If it does not match the factory specs, the part is dead. If the solenoid is good, you need to check for power and ground at the connector with the key on. If you are missing power, you might have a bad relay or a broken wire between the fuse box and the engine. If the wiring is perfect but the signal is still missing from the computer, you might be looking at a failing powertrain control module. This is a severe code because it can leave you stranded in the middle of nowhere, so if you cannot find a simple blown fuse or a loose plug, you should definitely have a pro look into it before your next big trip.